Hiccup is an amazing Australian-made comedy that explores the ideas of friendship, problem solving, and basically just inclusivity. Koala is a pretty chilled out, uncomplicated guy in a lot of ways. He is basically, I don't want to give too much of the story away, but he is suffering from the hiccups, which he doesn't really mind too much at the start. And fortunately, he gets a few ideas into his brain that freak him out a little bit and lead to a whole series of unfortunate events. But that's all I'll say. I won't go any further than that. You'll just have to come see the show to figure out more about Koala. I want them to laugh. Yeah, I want them to laugh. I want the kids. This is just a personal one. I want the kids to really get around the Koala. I want them to look at him and just be like, oh my god, he's so cute. But yeah, I think I want the kids to just have a good time, walk away, thinking, I want to go back to the theatre again. I don't want this to be my last time seeing a show. I want to see more of them. I want to see a TV version of Hiccup. I want to go and watch this when I get home. That's my thing.